Hey guys, a little bit of a test that we've got arranged on the U series. So this is the U2 battery. You can see it's off at the moment. This is a 48 volt battery. I'm going to press and hold this little silver button here, which actually turns the battery on. See the screen come to life. It's going to ask me to put the kill switch on. So nothing's going to happen. The battery's basically dead. It's got a very small 12 volt signal that it's sending looking for the outboard. And it's saying we need the kill switch before I'll do anything. So I'm going to take that battery and I'm going to lay it down in a bucket of salt water. It's not fresh, it's salt. See this display screen is still on. Just give it a little bit of a soak for a little minute or two. See the display screen is still on there. Give it a nice soaking. I'm not feeling anything, by the way. It's only 48 volts. It's very, very safe anyway. But I'm not feeling any tickles or any current or any voltage in the water whatsoever. So I've had a bit of a bath there for the battery. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take it straight over, straight out of the salt water and straight on to the U series, the U2. You can see the screen here is telling me again that it still wants to see a safety kill switch. So I've got the kill switch here, I plug it in, and then the outboard will power up. And we've got power. If I lower the tiller and give a little bit of throttle, you can see that let's give it full throttle. There we go. So super safe, guys. Super safe, and I'll explain the reasons why. So we'll get rid of that kill switch and we'll pop that battery back off. The reasons why is we have self-cleaning connectors. So when those connectors marry and go together, they clean each other. They clean, you can see there's a little rubber grommet down inside there. It cleans it all, makes sure there's no water on the two connecting surfaces. And then it sends a signal that I'm okay, I'm ready to accept current, and then they will basically bring the system to life. So that the smarts, the software, the hardware within the system is very, very smart, and as a consequence, very, very safe. There's no problem with a battery and electric power around a marine environment. Very, very safe if done correctly, and that's what we've done. We've got all of those and many more features that keep these batteries nice and safe around you and your family and your prized possession, which is your boat. So if you like this kind of content, guys, we've got a lot more coming. Please like and subscribe for more. Cheers.